Right, so judged by the condensation, I'm imagining it's nice and warm in there. Left the diesel heater going for a bit. Nice clean exhaust. Hardly any carbon in it at all. Right, that's the ground temperature. 6 degrees. $70 coming out of there. Alright, so it's been running for a couple of hours now. I went inside and played on the computer and had some dinner and still going strong. So let's have a look at temperatures, eh? It's 6 degrees outside. The coldest part on the floor back there where I just had the door open, 17. Up front, 17 on the floor. Roof, 16, 17. Timber seems to hold the temperature better. So yeah, 20 odd degrees, 22 degrees in here. About 80-ish degrees air temp coming out of the heater itself. Very happy with this one. This is good. It's by no means too big. So I had a 5 kilowatt in here originally and it was too big. This one's a good size, I really like it. For your smaller caravans, campers, rooftop tents, things like that. I think the 2 is by far the way to go. I'll turn this down so it's just ticking while we're videoing. 1.8, 1.7, 1.6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's down to 1 hertz. Or 1HZ, whatever it comes up. P1HZ. I'll let that go down until it's just ticking over, and then we'll get a video of the temperature coming out the heat outlet. It'll take a while for it to calm down, because obviously there's retained heat in that aluminium in the heat exchanger. We'll give it a minute and we'll come back. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes of it just ticking down on low. What do we got? Look less at the camera and more at the pointy gun. It is high 60s to low 70s, just purring out of there. That's going to be perfect for sleeping. Hear how slow that fuel pump is. And then when you're done, you can just go and shut it down. So yeah, link to this is in the video description of my YouTube channel. I'll try and drop it everywhere I can. I'll have it on Instagram and TikTok as well, obviously. That's what goes on with this little beast in the bottom of this video description. And use the code 1UP for a discount at Maxspeedingrods. So yeah, they have all kinds of cool car stuff, mostly performance stuff, but they have these air heaters and just like my shed one and other ones as well. This is the 2 kilowatt. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next vid.